Hello there guys, welcome to our channel. What's it like? We're in Vilamoura in October. I haven't got a clue, but let's go and check it out. The walk at the furthest part of the marina, right near Murphy's, right opposite where you can get all your tours, Benagil tours, kayaks, sailing boat tours. Well, Murphy's pretty busy. Got the big screen on there in the background. Supposed to do the best Guinness on the marina. Yeah, quite busy that actually. Now we have got a few viewers coming over in the next couple of weeks and they're asking what's the weather like. Well, it's Friday the 17th of October, 2:30 p.m. and it's 25 degrees. And we're outside Akvavit and that's pretty busy on the terrace. Not many inside, but it's too nice to be inside today. And there's loads of apartments up there. Never really shown you that before. Beautiful views over the marina they've got. Got the Tobacconist. Got another Irish bar, O'Neill's. Again, not many inside. Got people on the terrace. What a beautiful view that is, guys. Sipping your Guinness or your wine. We've got another Irish bar, hole in one. I have had a few Guinnesses in there. Not many inside, but again, plenty of people on the terrace. The old-fashioned telephone box there. And then on the corner here, we've got the News restaurant. It's probably, in my opinion, one of the best on the marina.
So they shut down completely in here.
And we have done a food review on this place if you'd like to check it out. Try before you buy, so to speak. Food in there is amazing. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but for the quality of the food, it's well worth it. The kids' arcade area. Must be school holidays or something next week because we've had lots of inquiries about what's it like this time of year. El Patron Mexican, that's closed. This is a good little bar, the brewery. You have live entertainment on most nights of the week, I think. I know one of the people that sing there. It's one of our subscribers. There's quite a few in there. People having lunch. And there's the view from the brewery. The Tivoli Hotel in the background there. Yeah, nice chill out place that, guys. Next door we've got the Haven. Now we've actually done a review on there. It's a bit of a strange one, this. It doesn't open till 3 o'clock. But the food in there is very nice. Check our channel out if you want to see it. I think we did it about 6 months ago. We've got restaurant O Marisco, a typical Portuguese restaurant. Let's see what they do. Mixed grilled fish, 2 persons, €70. Grilled fish and meat, La Fregata. And there's the terrace, plenty of people eating our fregata. Happy hour, 3 while 6. Let's get some prices there. Classic burger, €12. Imperial, don't know if that's €1 or one Imperial, not too sure. Dish of the day, €16. That's not bad. Too sure what this one is. You okay? I don't know if that's the outside terrace of Regatta. No, it's not. This one's Lamparo. I've heard good things about this place as well. You okay, mate?
Okay.
Yep. So Lamparo, supposed to be a very nice restaurant. There's a few people on the terrace. It does English breakfast in the mornings if you fancy that. But great location. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. I thought it was just that corner bit over there. Then you got Luna Rossa, nice Italian restaurant. Check the views out there, guys. You okay? Get some prices here, guys. Omelette $7.50, burger $14.95. Do sandwiches, chicken or tuna $9.95. Fillet of fish $14.50. They do meat dishes from $16.75. Yeah, so it's not too busy, but there's enough for it to be enjoyable. Got the Golden Harp. Every time I pass this, it's normally rammed. So they play the football. They show the football on here. This weekend, you've got Forest, Chelsea, Man City, Everton, Sunderland, Wolves, Brighton, Newcastle. Karaoke tonight until late. Nosola Italian restaurant. There's a few people down on the terrace. Well, we've been pretty blessed this month of October. We've had fantastic weather right the way through. And I don't think it's going to change in the next week. Got the Irish pub up there. Crazy time. 2 cocktails, no price on it, 3 while 7. It's the happy hour. So this is the Thai spicy restaurant. Anything with spices in, I love. I haven't actually eaten in there though. There's actually no one on the terrace there. They're in the restaurant steakhouse. Gavia, cocktail bar. Check the prices out here, guys. Prato de dia. You okay, mate?
I'm very good.
Prato de dia, €13. That's not bad at all, that.
Can I say about our menu?
Go on, of course you can, yep.
Yeah, as of now, we have happy hours also. Cocktail just €6 large. We are just 350, 15 cocktails on happy hour. This is a dish of the day also.
Yep.
Our beautiful staff, Mr. George.
You okay?
Also.
Yeah, I know, listen guys, we've eaten here and we tried to do a budget meal for €40. And because Sue wanted an extra sangria, we just failed. But the food in here is very nice. Especially the dish today is really good value for money, guys, yeah?
Yeah, Mr. George also here, our beautiful staff.
I know, he remembers, I know him, yeah? Cheers, okay, cheers mate, yeah? Have you checked our channel out? Yeah, you've done it, yeah? yeah, okay. See you again, mate, yeah? Yeah, so that was where we did the budget challenge. Got Masters Bar. Yeah, very busy in there. I have eaten in here, mate, yeah? So, yeah, very good. Happy hour till 7:30. Yeah, this also is a very nice bar. You've got the Mayflower Bar.
See, Sam, you missed it.
Well, it's pretty busy this end of the town. You've got the Mayflower Restaurant. A few grabbing the marina view there. Yeah, so check our channel out, guys, for that budget meal. Really good value for money, the dish of the day there. And you get pretty decent portions and all. Well, everyone's in the shorts and t-shirt, guys. I'm actually starting to sweat myself now. Some beautiful yachts in the background. How the other half live, eh, guys? Just for you. He's on that boat. Got the Haagen-Dazs ice cream place. The Old Navy. Never been in there. And you got O'Shea's Irish Bar just up the steps there. And the Força Portuguese shop, selling all the sports memorabilia, especially the CR7 stuff. Tell you what, I feel like jumping in there. Noise that fountain, sweat's dripping off my head. Got another tobacconist. And we've got the Mughlai Indian restaurant. I've actually been in there a few years ago. Food was really nice in there. Got the Blaze Tiden Steakhouse. In fact, you know what? The amount of times I've been here, I've never even noticed that place. Yeah, I'll check that out, guys, for October. Royal Blade Barbershop. Not noticed that before either. And we got another Indian restaurant, Gandhi Palace. I have eaten in there as well, but I prefer Mughlai Clay. There's well better food than that one. Pizza Hut next door to that. No one in it, not surprised. You don't want to be coming to Vilamoura and having Pizza Hut, do you? Wow, look at that yacht. Absolutely stunning. Gelato Pizza and Pasta Bar. It's quite busy on the terrace there. Yeah, I've not eaten in there, but it's always pretty busy when I pass it. What's this place? Capriccio, another Italian. Well, you spoke for choice for Italian restaurants on the marina. And quite a lot of traffic on the marina. Barinka toys, play toys. Got the Chinese Tai Tai. It's closed at the moment. We've got the Chinese Zuyi. That's closed as well. And we've got another Irish bar tonight. Live music. It's called the 19th Hole. That's pretty busy. I might end the video there, guys, having a Guinness. What do you think? Fair few people in there. Oh, we've got the old Triumph Stag there. Not seen one of them for a few years. Fairway Steakhouse is closed. And so is the one next to it, Rare Steakhouse. So we've got the Tivoli Marina Hotel in the background. You got the guy on board that beautiful yacht. There's the marina, guys. Absolutely stunning. I've just popped in the 19th hole to finish the video off, and I thought, why not try a nice pint of Guinness. Let's see if you can split the G. Yeah, well, they overdone it there. Took 7 gulps, just went past the G. Unfortunately, I'll have to try again. So here, guys. Was it your 60th today, did you say, mate? Yeah.
My name is Steve and her name is Sue.
Oh, no way.
There you go. I like Sangria,
Yeah, so do I. Right, guys, I'll leave you with this lot. Where you all from? Leeds, is it?
Yeah. So they're from Leeds, we're
Right.
from proper town, Peterborough.
Okay, happy 60th, mate, yeah? Okay, if you like this walking tour, hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.